Ginongilam ka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee uba Ronnie V. Lingdo uba J.A. Lingdo kila kena badai ke jingyok pisa bagi kertongkan National People's Party ki phong jan baramdor ki don mobile bad nyak daki kali baramdor na lor ke jing sam pisa sekipat ba ban crop vote. Kadi ke jingkran na kita ginongilam ka Congress kalau long halor ke mat jing flau ba bantai dor Lingdo UMLA ke PDF uba deiru Menteri Sarkar Jella baula syak terwa san klur ban yalet no ya ke election MLA bentausnam na ke NPP. Halor katay kapang uba J.A. Lingdo uloong balay ba ke NPP kasus ngabjar bat kentat ya jing kono uba bantay dor bat lada kamday kapasisya kaladay ban papan maap yau.
Lada ka statement kabawan na way ni ki minister badanang po ke MD government bakta re ba bantay dor ma. Right open day ya statement makata ka long ba la of yau ban aisan kulur lada uret ban rong po ka NPP. Correct? It came out in the press. Te kay kejubab jung NPP. Kejubab jung NPP kalong very simple. Ba ya kani ngim TPA. Bakan dan kum kata. Terladah kamdai ka basisya ka statement ba ai da u when the minister but he was offered 5 crores but contest from NPP. Then why don't you ask him and apologize? The chief minister himself and the NPP party should have requested him. Please apologize through the press because you have given the wrong statement. Had they done that? No. And then what else? You go to any constituency, like Kasafiliki constituency, pini bayaka distribution of money from the NPP candidate. My God. From where did they get this? Nangno ki collect, kumno ki sampisa, nangno ki yo. Okay? Lada fi ongba, lada ke NPP ke ongba, ke statement jog u, weni ke bista kalong ke babakla. Then if you don't ask for apologize, then drop him from the ministry to prove that you are not involved. Right? Drop him.
Step away.
Huh? That means they are guilty. Ki offer. Many sitting MLAs, sitting in the seat, they are joining towards this party. What for? Huh? Do you think that you can fool the people of Meghalaya in 2020 election by money power? You'll get back their power? No, I'm telling you, people are only waiting. Money power will not play, believe me. There will be a change in 2020 election. Just wait and see.
Penisisya, bagaimana kecing terwak bisa. Lane bakilah yok bisa. Judan unuk tu dah pilih yok menang mengatuk uang itu. Kadang kita kan yang syari berbisa. Tak kau ikut poin menikam. Poin bah. Pilih ini bah ki kertong. Nak kiwe ki parti beladai ki sitting balik ki ex balik. Dalam join NPP kinya kali ki basau posan pula. Nang nak kiyo. Katakan je kelih. Baik mabi. Baik. Keleng sudah. Wala join NPP him judan cumanya kali kiba lailak saulak sana. Ki kali kiba tatam aku sanlai pula. Kesan teh. Kata ka pencisya ba ka don ka jing ai pisa, ka don ka jing sim pisa na ke NPP ya kitu kerta. Sampai mo pi sabisya mo pi. Kiba mensya nya di kali iban riu nyulat metalaknya kali wasau posun pula. Nam nuyo. Kata ka pencisya ka ba ka jingkran uba bantai dor bersisya kembali kita. Kau baik, sampai nabi. Baik u kertong NPP junya kalitat. Kajain bareng, mobile bareng, kali bareng, sampai sapahu, yo nang. Tapi keligan dia kata. Nanti kita kiki ke bau pai ba sutu kita tat dor ya pi. Yes. Ke politics kam dai. Ke politics ke dai kamyam. Dai nang ta ba mangi ba board ki pedang nek sen kongres ngimbi ke jing bi toki magni soto kamyap kamen wai ke singi min sap juba ya ki khon ki kti ki seo ki lawai ki pateng jomi philale ayu muja juba kam de na shi on yitu ki wai kenma abo pimshet tangi hizai beri pimshet ki khon ki kti para persa ki khakiman lejok dak kenma wai kata ketu ko pisa jo fi kanumla bangai kata ke jing syakri ya ki lawai ki pateng jomi kikali ki bo hatam ki berentam de jong politician kamur ka jalajayu ne po ka jalaju ka politics kolong mensuka mai spa blood politics kamur drone politics ka bastet tam pat ka patikan atam ban kamay spa atau kedai kata ke politics kedai kata ke sensial kadar miru kedai kata ni apong yu pai ba what bit ik betura bisa kan mau ni dan kam ki an ni dan kam ki policy terikam bangin sayo ke jemotoy ya ki kun kiti ya ke jata jumi kita ran ka bon men ka puli puthi ka kot ka khia ka yo kam yo cham atong jana Regla ni don ki kun samla jumi ki blok biang ke jempuri kelak ki kam don nyam de